Welcome to the next episode of RaceChip Insights. Actually, this episode is going to be a little bit different than you're used to. As in this episode, we're going to compare the stock figures from the M3, M4 competition against the non-competition version. You're going to see some really awesome footage we did together with AutotopNL. If you want to see the tuned version of both cars, so competition and the manual one, so non-competition, check out the videos. We're going to link them here, there, and in the description below. We had the M4 competition and did together with AutotopNL their non-competition car. And by the way, sorry for the ripped jeans. All other jeans are basically in the washing machine, so sorry for that. But showing some skin might help in terms of viewers, I don't know. That's it. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to our dyno. As promised in the intro, we are going to compare the competition version against the non-competition version with the manual gearbox, as we had the chance to develop the product a couple of months ago actually for the competition version and a couple of days ago together with AutotopNL for the non-competition version with the manual gearbox. Official figures by BMW are 510 for the competition version, 480 for the manual gearbox version, so non-competition. What you can see now on the screen, thin line is the competition version, thick line is the non-competition version. Basically, in terms of top-end performance, after 6,000 RPM, both cars or engines are pretty similar. Delivering basically the same amount of power. Biggest difference though is between 2,000 RPM and 6,000 RPM. The competition version got around, what you can see here, around 50 Newton meters more and around 50 horsepower more in that area. But I would say that's pretty impressive for the non-competition version, especially you can get that one as manual gearbox. Guys, just write in the comments below what you think about it. In my opinion, it's an awesome result for the non-competition version. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see some nice footage now from the day together with AutotopNL. Enjoy it.